want to quickly thank Adrian for all her craziness that she's put me through in the past 3 years. Truly, Adrian, I'm really going to miss you. You've been through a lot in the past 3 years, and you're one of my faves. I really can't thank you enough personally for all the work that you've done, and the times when I really needed stuff done, you really stepped up and helped me get over the line across what was a very difficult program. And I truly wish you all the best in the future. I love you, mate. You are awesome, and you're gonna do fantastic, because I know you're gonna do fantastic. So thank you for everything.
I want to echo that, Adrian. You're just the sweetest, easiest person to work with, and I'm gonna miss you for sure.
Very instrumental to the 214 team. Hard shoes to replace. You've just been phenomenal. You're always there when we needed something, slides, presentations, questions from the IRB. I could go on and on for days. An asset to the program, the team, the company, and I wish you nothing but success. Wherever you go, you will shine.
Yeah, Adrian, same here too. So I enjoyed working with you across 213 and 214, presenting together and working on PDs and different stuff too. So thank you so much. Thank you. And I'm sure you're gonna do fantastic in your next journey.
Me too here, Adrian. It's a surprise to me you are leaving us, and I really enjoy working together with you in the past years.
Yeah, Adrian, this is Nick. Just to pile on, just wanted to wish you all the best, and thank you. Really enjoyed working with you, and you'll do great.
What you heard were sweet remarks from my colleagues at Intercept, and it really was a bittersweet goodbye. I was offered this job while I was still finishing up my last year in school, and I made so many friends along the way. I decided to jump into my new job without taking a vacation, so this weekend was the only break I got. The first thing I had to do was try Prince Street Pizza. I finally ventured out to Prince Street Pizza downtown. We got a variety of the square and circle pizza. I got the spicy spring, spicy vodka, sunset square, and the fancy Prince. That's one of my favorites is the sunset square is what it looks like. It is so delicious. There's a crunch to it. Afterwards, it was time to hit the road to LA. Any guesses as to what concert I went to? It took approximately 3.5 hours to get from San Diego to SoFi Stadium. We first went to the concession stands to look for food, and then it was time to get to our seats. With Monday fast approaching, it was time to get ready for my new career. Before I actually set up my laptop, I went to a very cute store called Strawberry Shack in Carlsbad. We then headed to the beach so I could dip my toes in the sand and watch the sunset. Although it was a very short break before hopping into something new, I thoroughly enjoyed it. If you can't already tell from my videos, I do have a bit of a sweet tooth. We went home with a beautiful German chocolate cake. It was now time to virtually meet my new team. Everyone was incredibly welcoming, and for lunch I went out to eat at Casa Guadalajara. This video has been a long time coming. So much has been going on in my life. I did want to take the opportunity to just say that I am so thankful. When I was in school, I had a fellowship offer. I actually accepted it. But this opportunity at Intercept to become a clinical scientist was offered to me. I did lots of interviews during my last year in school, from fellowships to actual full-time positions in biotech and the pharmaceutical industry, which really is unheard of, especially with the very limited experience I had. The fact that Intercept took a chance on me. I still didn't achieve my doctorate of pharmacy degree yet. I was in the midst of my last year and they offered me a position. That's something I will never forget. They took a chance on me and I learned so much from them. I formed so many friendships. As delighted as I am to start my new role here at Medtronic, it's a bittersweet farewell to my colleagues at Intercept. I had the privilege of working alongside some of the most brilliant people I've ever met, and I'm so fortunate to call a lot of them my friends. I'm still in touch with them. I just found out that Intercept was actually acquired by a very large Italian pharmaceutical company. I wrote a whole post on LinkedIn, so you can read it there if you want, but it was a see you later post because the biotech pharmaceutical industry is very small, and I really do hope I cross paths with them again. For those of you who aren't aware, I'm now in medical devices, which is, I would say, a big change. However, they're now going into the drug space, which is really exciting. It's the first time Medtronic, so it's a very large scale, the biggest medical device company in the world, and it's the first time they're going into a drug combination space. And I think I'm working on one of the 2 operating units that are doing that, and we're discovering things. And it's interesting how I have a lot of pharmaceutical knowledge that I can impart on them, even though I have the least amount of experience in neuroscience. But it's it's definitely a learning curve, learning more about devices, but I'm so glad I'm able to impart whatever knowledge I can about the drug space into this incredible team that I'm involved with. If you enjoyed this vlog, it's very different from what I've been doing recently. You know that I'm typically doing outfit videos or just travel vlogs, and I said I would cut back on more of these personal day-to-day, day-in-my lifestyle vlogs, but I might bring them back. I find that it's a great medium, not only to communicate what I'm doing in life, but just to document what's happening in my life. YouTube does serve as somewhat of a diary for me, and I like the fact that I can always go back to it and relive my core memories and share it with all of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.